Hey everybody, my name is Rodney. Welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna draw hair. We're gonna draw short hair today. Okay, this is Drake hairstyle, haircut. Okay, whatever type of drawings you're doing, you don't really have to do the outline, really dark. Okay, you're gonna have to. You don't have to do it too dark. So I'm using an HB pencil. I'm using HB pencil so I can do the first layer. Okay, so you guys gotta do layer first when you drawing hair. I don't think like it doesn't matter what type of hair you're doing. Like you gotta have like to do doing the base. The base is the basic thing first. So building the layers. With the lightest pencil. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you have on a B pencil, you have HB, you have B, you have, I don't know, 5B, not 5B, sorry. If you have 5H, you know what I mean, like any kind of like type of pencil that really light, it's not no dark pencil when you first started. When you first started, use only light pencil, so something like okay. So now I'm using another pencil to build another layer. So now I'm using 2B. Okay, so I can build the second layer to be, to be it's darker than HB or B. Okay, so yeah. Every time I get close to the hairline, I put less pressure. I put less pressure on the pencil. So every time I get closer to the hairline or by the forehead, I use a lighter pencil, HB or B, and I put less pressure because the forehead has like less hair. So this is Drake haircut. This is the way it is on the picture. So like right now I'm using a 5B pencil. I'm building another layer, so I'm trying to make it look more realistic as I can, guys. So yeah. As you guys can see, there's a lot of darkness on the middle of the head. Okay, so I'm trying to get this some of the dark, I'm trying to flew some of the dark gradually, close, really close, so I can fade it out, fade in and fade it out. you know um I'm using I'm using an 8B pencil right now, so I'm making it like really dark right now, and then blend some of this dark, on the forehead. Once you're done with the layers, and then you're done blending, and then you will have to, do a little bit more details. You'll have to do a little bit more details on the forehead, by the hairline. So you will have to like using a B pencil or HB pencil, so you can do like a little bit more details. And then, like I said before, don't go too hard on the pencil. Don't press too hard. If you press hard, it's if you make a mistake, and then it will be difficult for you after to erase it. Because you push too hard on it, and then even you erase it. Like if you wanna erase some line, it's still gonna be like it appears on the paper because you push too hard on it. Now for the bib, you can build there also, and remember like to use a pencil really sharp. Okay, really sharp your pencil. So once your pencil really sharp, it will be quicker for you to get it done. Okay, you don't have to build a lot of layers. So everybody who's doing reproduction, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what type of reproduction you're doing. You can reproduce like a cat, a dog, an object. Whatever type of reproduction you're doing, and giants. One of the best way to do it. Faster, and then to do it to make it look more likely the way it should be, it's to observe. Observation is really important when you're doing reproduction, so it helps you get see more details. So whatever type of reproduction you're doing, always take 5-10 minutes to observe first, and then this will help you a lot to see more details, and then it can help you figure out a way to do it quicker, to do it easier. That was my tip for you today. Hope this tutorial helped you a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video with your friends, and guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Rodney, and I'm out.